The Paper, a new comedy spin-off. Fans of workplace comedies will soon see a new show called The Paper. It is a spin-off of The Office, but the setting is very different. Instead of an office supply company, the story takes place at a small-town newspaper. A documentary crew follows the workers as they write stories, meet deadlines, and deal with the daily struggles of local journalism. The show keeps the familiar mockumentary style that made The Office popular. Viewers can expect awkward conversations, quiet humor, and characters who do not always know how they appear on camera. At the same time, the paper offers fresh material because it explores how a local newsroom survives in a digital age. By shifting the focus from sales to reporting, it highlights both the challenges and the importance of community news. Critics believe the spin-off could connect with audiences who already loved the original series. However, success is not guaranteed. Comedy about ordinary jobs often works when the humor feels true to life. If the paper captures the same spirit, it may find its own place in television history. If not, it will still serve as an interesting attempt to expand one of the most famous TV formats in recent years.